welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. Today I'm making a simple at home facial that I use on my face. It helps to get rid of pimple, also anti-aging, and get rid of your acne. Super easy to make and very simple. All of these ingredients, you have them right at home in your kitchen. So I'm making turmeric face mask. Now I love turmeric for so many reasons that turmeric have. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory. Turmeric also helps to prevent acne and clear up your skin and give you the glow to your skin. Tighten your skin as well. Honey helps to heal your skin. It's perfect raw honey. And make sure it's that raw honey. Perfect to heal your skin and open your pores, get rid of blackhead, and just perfect. Antibacterial. Apple cider vinegar. Now I love apple cider vinegar. I use it around my home, clean my kitchen and stuff. But apple cider vinegar is anti-inflammatory and it's tighten your skin and it's get rid of acne and heal your skin and give you the clean, glowy skin, and also prevent your wrinkles. Like you have wrinkles and you put the apple cider vinegar on it, it will help to get rid of your wrinkle. Just don't put it onto your eye. The mother of apple cider vinegar. And my lemon, you know, lemon is antioxidant, vitamin C. This is perfect again to give it a glow to your skin. So all of these simple stuff, I know you have them in your home, and to make your face mask. Now if you have acne, use this on your face as often as possible. I do a facial, at-home facial on my face 2 times per month, but if I have breakout, I use this on my face every day until I get rid of my breakout, which is really, it's gone within no time. I said, and whatever you use on your face, make sure you use it on your neck. From here, go up too. So when your face is looking younger and your skin is getting tighter, which is what you want to get rid of the wrinkle, your neck also will look younger and get tighter. So let me begin by making this. I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of honey, of turmeric, and I'm going to use about a teaspoonful of my raw honey. And for the apple cider vinegar, it's just I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And for this is my lemon, so I'm not going to use all of this because I'm just making enough. So I'm going to use half of the half. So squeeze. If you have any seed in it, take the seed out. Okay, and squeeze. Okay, so the start is my grandmother was getting married she was getting married, and this was one of the facial that she used at home on her face, and her face was just glowing on her wedding day. So guys, here is it. It's picky. It's like a paste. So this I am going to put on my face. I'll show you how to put it on your face, how you apply it. And you apply from your neck, go up in your face. Try not to let it get in your eye. And then you just wash it off with warm water. And you can use this twice per week if you have pimples on your face that you're trying to get rid of. You keep it on your face for roughly 10 to 15 minutes, depends on your skin. some people have sensitive skin. So with apple cider vinegar, you probably can't keep it on your face that long. However, you do not have to use apple cider vinegar. Honey alone is perfect with the turmeric. They're both are perfect to heal your skin, tighten your skin, and they're antibacterial. All of them are antibacterial. So if you use just the honey and the turmeric, it's still going to give you that beautiful, healing, glowy, smooth skin. If you just use the turmeric again with your lemon and your honey, again, you have the vitamin C, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, all of those anti-inflammatory in your face again to just it's going to heal your skin. It's going to get rid of your acne and smooth your skin. Now, I'm not going to say this is a magic treatment, but I've used this on my face. Like today and the next day, I look and my pimples, they're fade away. So I use it 2 days straight and I have no pimples on my face. So this was something that I love using on my face, and it's just perfect. Remember to hit like, comment, and share, and subscribe for this video. And all the ingredients, you already see them, but they will be in my description box with a little more stuff about turmeric and apple cider vinegar and lemon, and honey. So this is all for now, and I cannot wait to see you on my next video.